Hello viewers, and welcome to our channel, Selector. In this video we are going to be checking out the best 5 dual fuel generator for RV. We made this list based on our personal opinion and hours of research, and we have listed them based on the type of features and price. We have included options for every type of user, so whether you are looking for the best budget. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Oh yes, since you're a new channel, don't forget to subscribe to us, and if you're on YouTube, click the alert notification, as it will help us grow. So let's get started with video. Number 5. Firman HO3651 Hybrid Generator. This generator is based on push-button technology, features 4,550 starting watts and 3,650 running watts. Power comes from a 208 cubic centimeters engine which runs cool and efficient thanks to its Phoenix fathead block. This also has a dual fuel system, hence can run on gasoline or propane fuel, giving you flexibility while out on the road or during a power outage or any other emergency. Coming with an inbuilt Whisper series muffler, it is very quiet at 67 dBA. 3-in-1 data minder monitors show you the frequency, running hours, and voltage. This also has flat-free wheels with a single folding handle with a grip and a heavy-duty wheel kit. The 5 gallons tank provides 14 hours of runtime, and it includes a 5.5-foot LPG regular hose. It is a very portable generator because of its lightweight, and you can easily take it from house to a campsite or wherever you need it. The HO3651 is backed with a 3-year warranty from the company itself, and it CARB, ETL approved. The control panel is multi-featured and is located conveniently, and the design covers protect the outlets from dirt, dust, and debris. Number 4. Campion 3400 Dual Fuel Generator RV. Campion has years of experience providing the perfect products to its buyers all over the world. They are the standard of performance excellence and have the power to make your life easier. This 3400W generator has loads of features sprinkled throughout. It is lightweight, quiet and portable, battery maintenance, smart charge. In addition to this, a quick touch panel and touch start, which will make this a piece of cake to use. Now moving on to the actual details of this, it is less than 100 pounds in weight, can run on LPG or gasoline straight out of the box, has a runtime of 7.5 hours on a full tank of gas, or 14.5 hours on a 20 pounds propane tank. It provides clean electricity for sensitive appliances, and is overall designed with safety in mind. Using gasoline, its 192 cubic centimeters engine produces 3,400 starting watts and 3,100 running watts, and can even run for 14.5 hours with a 20% load when run by a 20-pound propane tank. It comes with impressive additions like low oil shutdown sensor, and an economy mode which can extend the engine life, providing quieter operation, and can reduce electrical load. Coming with a 3-year warranty with free lifetime technical support from the company itself, it's a no-brainer that this comes in our top choices for all the best generators right now. Number 3. Campion 3500 Watt Dual Fuel Generator. Campion 3500 Watt Dual Fuel Generator is a perfect combination of convenience and versatility, and is ideal whether you need power for home, RV, camping, or any other projects. Campion's power equipment is one of the best and leading brands in the market without any doubt, offering some of the best features with its advanced technology. It has enough power to run a 15,000 BTU RV air conditioner and also various essential appliances that you need during an outage. The 224 cubic centimeters Campion engine produces 4,375 starting watts and 3,500 running watts using gasoline, and gives us a runtime of 9 hours at 1/2 or 50% load. On propane, it produces 3,950 starting watts and 3,150 running watts at 50% load, and will run for 10.5 hours. It features Volt Guard built-in surge protector which prevents overloads and ensures the safety of your equipment. Apart from that, you can easily monitor and track power output and maintenance intervals with its IntelliGauge technology. You can use this dual fuel generator right out of the box on either gasoline or propane, and can safely switch between the fuels with its patented fuel selector. It comes with plenty of outlets, so you can easily power various appliances at the same time, and the low oil shutoff sensor assures optimal operation. Number 2. DuroMax XP12000EH Dual Fuel Generator. DuroMax XP12000EH Dual Fuel Generator is nicknamed as the Beast because of its capability of providing the power that would normally be found in home standby units, but just in a portable package. It is one of the best dual fuel generators for the house. This unit can handle heavy loads from the refrigerator, lights, to an air conditioner and also high amperage power devices with its 12,000 starting watts and 9,500 running watts. Dual fuel technology gives you the freedom and flexibility of fuel choice and can run either on gasoline or propane. Its versatile 457 cubic centimeters OHV engine is a complete power pack workhorse that provides you plenty of power to handle different tasks from powering heavy-duty tools to high-voltage appliances at the same time. Other awesome advantages to this portable dual fuel generator are its idle control. The RPMs of the generator automatically lowers when not in use, saving the fuel and reducing noise, thus making it an ideal generator for job sites, home backup power, camping, outages, and more. Its fully featured power panel includes a broad range of outlets, maximizing the compatibility in your appliances. Furthermore, it also includes a voltmeter and 12V DC charging posts to charge external batteries. The built-in spark arrestor and an oversized noise-reducing muffler allow smooth and quiet operation. The generator runs on rugged and durable solid-fill tires, which makes it easy to transport over any terrain. Number 1. Westinghouse WGen 3600DF Fuel Generator. Westinghouse is one of the highest quality and trusted brands in the market today when it comes to generators, with its groundbreaking technology for over 130 years. Westinghouse WGen 3600DF is a complete power pack, compact, and one of the best portable dual fuel generators in the market. Its 212 cubic centimeters 4-stroke OHV engine, along with long-lasting cast iron engine sleeve, produces 3,600 rated watts and 4,650 peak watts when running on gasoline, and 3,240 rated watts and 4,180 peak watts on propane. Features like electric push-button and key fob remote make it easy to start, and the low oil shutoff and built-in fuel gauge conveniently ensures optimal performance. This camper and RV-ready dual fuel generator with a TT3030A 120V outlet allows you to easily power your recreational vehicle without any need for adapters. Just plug, and there you go. Hence, making it your perfect companion for any RV or camper. Moreover, it has a 4 gallons fuel tank with a long runtime of 18 hours, which makes it a great choice for home, camping, recreational activities, power outages, and more. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like this unbiased review. And please don't forget to subscribe us to get the news of upcoming reviews. Stay tuned.